Welcome to Shandong Fengjin Beauty Biotech. Our fermentation laboratory is in this building, No.5 workshop. Let's go inside and have a look.
Our core R&D members have decades of experience in raw material fermentation and production. We will achieve large-scale mass production in March 2024. The annual output of cosmetic grade and food grade would be 50 tons, and the pharmaceutical grade products would be 20 tons, with an output value of more than 400 million yuan. The main products include hyaluronic acid, polyglutamic acid, ectoin, recombinant humanized collagen type 3.
Please follow and like our channel to witness our growth together. Thank you.